Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to prepare frog with paper. Okay. First we will take an A4 size sheet paper and we will turn like this. Make it like this and open. Turn like this. Exactly with this line. And this side also. Now we need to tear this part. This part we have to tear. Actually, with this same concept we can prepare cap also. If you cut like this, okay, you can wear it as a cap. Okay, you can put this part at back side of your head and this part on your head. Okay, but if you can remove this one, we can prepare the frog. So I want to make it somewhat simpler, so we just do like this. And like this, which is like a turning parts. Even like this also. Okay, actually we have to do in this way. We have to do like this. That's all. Okay, same thing you have to do here also. That's it. Now turn this back and we have to do the body of the frog. Okay, one side it will be like this. You can see, you can do it. Two sides together you have to do for the symmetry and uniformity. Here also. In back side you have to turn like this and put this one here. And put this one here. Yeah, so this is the frog. So let me give some legs for this. That's it. And here also a little bit back legs. Now see, the frog will jump.